Richard Dawkins is more Darwinistic than Charles Darwin. And he's saying, these are his words, that if the fine-tuning was different, evolution wouldn't have had a possibility. It's not that we would just be a little bit taller, a little bit wider, a little bit faster, a little bit slower. Evolution wouldn't have had a possibility to occur. Think about it like this. When we think about the periodic table, the hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. And so when we're thinking about trying to create chemical compounds for life, hydrogen would be your best bet. For example, there are 4 chemical compounds with lithium and hydrogen, or 6 with beryllium and hydrogen, or 65 with nitrogen and hydrogen, or 55 with silicon and hydrogen. So I've heard some people say, well, maybe we're just thinking too narrowly about this. Maybe you're thinking of carbon-based life. Well, what about silicon-based life, like we see in science fiction movies? Couldn't there be a different type of life? Well, sure. But I would just say this. Silicon can bond with hydrogen in 55 different chemical compounds. Carbon bonds with hydrogen in 29,000 different chemical compounds. So when we say that we want silicon-based life, I hope you realize that we're only compounding the problem. We're only making it far more difficult than we began. Silicon-based life is far more improbable than carbon-based life. So this is why secular scientists are saying the fine-tuning issue is a reality. This is something here to stay. The longer we study it, the more we realize how contingent life is on these laws, constants, and initial conditions.